A new chapter of Spotify Camp Nou's transformation is unfolding. The stadium is changing faster than ever, with major architectural elements now revealing the vision behind this incredible rebuild. From the diamond structure glass to the advancing roof system and interior developments, today's update shows some of the most exciting progress yet. Let's take a closer look at the latest changes happening across the stadium. High above the stadium, construction continues advancing on the compression ring, one of the most important structural components of the future roof. Crews remain focused on preparing additional sections, while heavy lifting operations continue delivering large structural elements into position. Every completed section extends the ring further around the stadium, bringing the roof support system closer to becoming fully connected. Progress may appear gradual, but this remains one of the most technically demanding phases of the entire project. Inside the stadium, work remains fully focused on preparing the future playing surface. Specialized machinery continues processing the existing pitch by removing the upper layer and screening the soil to create the proper foundation for the new natural grass system. Excavators remain active throughout the field, transporting excavated material while crews carefully level and prepare the surface for the next phase of installation. These operations are a critical part of building a high-performance playing surface, ensuring proper drainage, stability, and long-term durability before the new natural grass is finally installed. Inside the VIP areas, construction continues progressing steadily across multiple levels. Crews remain busy completing the interior enclosure while permanent doors are now visible in several sections. Additional finishing work is taking place around the corridors, balconies, and hospitality spaces as workers prepare these premium areas for future architectural installations. Every update reveals more of the final layout, showing clear progress toward completing one of the stadium's most exclusive sections. Construction activity also remains visible throughout the third-tier interior. Teams continue sealing expansion joints, completing structural finishing, and carrying out detailed surface treatments across different seating sections. Workers are also making adjustments around stairways and access areas while preparing the upper levels for future finishing works. Although these tasks may appear small individually, together they represent one of the most time-consuming phases of the entire redevelopment. At the north goal, work on the false ceiling is now entering its final stages. Installation crews continue fitting the remaining ceramic louvers beneath the roof structure, leaving only a small number of sections still unfinished. As more protective coverings are removed, the final beige ceramic finish is becoming increasingly visible, giving a much better impression of how the completed ceiling will look. This area has advanced significantly over the past few days, and the false ceiling is now approaching completion. Along several exterior sections of the stadium, crews continue preparing the support system for the ceramic louvers. Workers are installing steel brackets, aligning support members, and completing welding operations that will hold the ceramic facade in place. Elevated work platforms remain active throughout the day as teams carefully position every anchor point with high precision. Although the ceramic louvers have not yet been installed everywhere, the preparation work is advancing rapidly and is laying the foundation for the stadium's iconic exterior finish. Sandwich panel installation continues expanding across multiple sections of the stadium, particularly around the VIP ring and the service core structures. Crews are carefully positioning and securing each panel to enclose the building while improving insulation and weather protection. With every newly installed section, the stadium's exterior becomes more complete, giving a clearer view of its final architectural appearance. This phase remains one of the most visible signs of progress as more structural cores are gradually transformed into fully enclosed spaces. One of today's biggest highlights comes from the diamond structure, where the installation of the curtain wall glass continues to make excellent progress. Throughout the day, construction crews carefully lifted massive glass panels into position using specialized vacuum lifting equipment before rotating them vertically and securing them within the aluminum curtain wall framework. Every installation requires extreme precision, as each panel must align perfectly with the surrounding structure. The Tribune remains one of the busiest construction zones on site. Multiple elevated work platforms are active as crews continue installing additional support structures for the ceramic facade, while others focus on structural steel, railings, and finishing work. Temporary roof support systems are also being assembled in preparation for future roof construction. With several teams operating simultaneously, progress continues across multiple levels of the Tribune every single day. Construction crews also continued installing large structural support beams in preparation for the next phase of roof construction. Using heavy lifting equipment, each beam was carefully positioned and aligned before being permanently secured into place. These beams will provide essential support for temporary construction systems and future roof elements, making them a critical part of the stadium's structural framework. Every newly installed beam brings the project one step closer to completing the massive roof support system. Around the north goal corner, construction continues on two major fronts. Work on the compression ring is steadily moving closer toward this section of the stadium. Temporary support systems remain active as workers carefully align each element before installation, ensuring the required precision for this critical structural phase. Although progress is being made section by section, the compression ring is gradually extending around the stadium, bringing the entire roof support system closer to becoming fully connected. At the south goal, construction crews continue making steady progress around the service core structures. Additional sandwich panels are being installed to enclose elevator shafts and staircase cores, while other teams focus on measurements, structural adjustments, and finishing work. The enclosure process is gradually transforming these service areas into fully completed structural elements, bringing the south goal another step closer to its final appearance. Steady progress continues around the VIP core structures as crews work to fully enclose these important service areas. Additional structural elements are being completed while teams carry out welding, alignment, and finishing work throughout the elevator and staircase cores. Surface preparation also remains underway to ensure every section is ready for the next stage of construction. As more areas become enclosed, the overall layout of the VIP facilities is becoming increasingly defined. Tower cranes remained highly active throughout the construction site, supporting multiple work zones simultaneously. Heavy structural components, reinforcement steel, construction materials, and equipment were continuously lifted and transported across different sections of the stadium. Their constant operation reflects the fast pace of the project, allowing several construction teams to work efficiently at the same time. With large-scale structural work still underway, the tower cranes continue to play a vital role in maintaining progress across the entire redevelopment. Overall, construction continues progressing across every major area of Spotify Camp Nou. From the advancing compression ring and pitch reconstruction to the ceramic louvers, while significant work still remains, each new update clearly demonstrates the remarkable pace of progress as one of football's most iconic stadiums continues its transformation.